relationship advice for men and women. 10 keys of how to make a relationship last long. How to make a relationship last forever. Psychology of Happiness, video number 32. Hi guys, my name is Lena Semenek and welcome to my channel Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life. Today I'm gonna talk about how to make your relationship last long. How to make your relationship last forever. I will share with you 10 dating advice, 10 relationship advice, how to make your relationship happy and how to make them last forever. Let's start. So the first rule how to make your relationship last forever is to go and check my other video, which is called How to be happy in a relationship. In that video, I share 5 things that you should do to make your relationship happy and to make them last long. So I'm gonna talk today starting from step number 6. And if you wanna know the first 5, I will leave the link below this video. Make sure to watch it. Okay, step number 6, how to make your relationship last long, is to create traditions or to create memories between two of you. For example, you can decide that every Friday you're gonna go to movie theater. Or for example, every Wednesday it's gonna be your date night. Or maybe once a month you go out of town. I know a couple and they go to Hawaii 1 week before Christmas every year. And all their friends, all their relatives, they know that the week before Christmas, he and his wife are going to Hawaii. So create traditions, create memories, something that two of you can remember. And every year or every month you will think, oh, where did we go last month? Oh, we went to this place, nice. Do you want to go there again? So this way, it's kind of you building your relationship with your memories. Let's move on. Step number 7, how to make your relationship last forever, is to give gifts. Often, after some years of relationship, couples stop giving gifts to each other. And in order to keep this passionate, loving, caring feelings between two of you, you need to give gifts to each other. It should be gifts for the New Year, for Christmas, for Valentine's Day, for birthday. Gifts creates also memories, and every time when you give a gift to a person, you are saying, I care about you, I remember about this special day, I love you, I want to do something nice for you, I value you in my life, and I'm showing you with this gift that I still care about you, I respect you, I love you. Rule number 8, how to make your relationship last forever, is do not compare your partner with other people. Usually when we just start dating, for us, our partner is the best. He or she is better than everyone else. But within years, we start noticing some negative qualities in a partner, and it's normal. So then we start comparing the partner with other person. And in reality, the comparison does not really make sense because you don't know about other person's in details as much as you know about your partner. When you're comparing your partner with other person, you are ruining your relationship because every relationship is unique and you cannot compare. You cannot compare because you don't know what's happening in other family. In reality, you only see what's happening outside or what people are talking about this relationship or that family. But in reality, you don't know the truth. You don't know what's in their relationship. So how you can compare? Do not compare your partner. Just appreciate what you have and try to make it better every day. Rule number 9 of how to make your relationship last forever is learn how to apologize. Within years, we know that our partner loves us and we're getting used to some reaction. So for example, if you come home and you are tired, or maybe you are angry, you can be rude, or you can say something in a rude way to your partner, and you're thinking that, yeah, he knows that I'm in a bad mood, he knows that I'm going through the difficult time, so he loves me anyway, or she loves me anyway. But in reality, yes, your partner might know what's happening with you, but you still might be hurting him or her. Learn how to apologize. If you did something and you know that it might hurt your partner, say, I'm sorry, I was wrong. So those simple words, just to say, I'm sorry, I was wrong, I was angry, I was mad, it was not about you, they're gonna make a big difference in your relationship. So when you're saying, I'm sorry, I was wrong, you are saying your partner that you care about your partner, that you notice that you did something wrong, you notice that you hurt his or her feelings, you do care about what he's thinking, what she is thinking. This way you're telling your partner, I appreciate you in my life and I don't want to hurt you. I don't want you to feel bad because I had a bad day. And the rule number 10, how to make your relationship last forever, is to say I love you and to flirt with your partner. So say I love you and play with your partner. It does not really matter how many months or years you're together. Try to say I love you as many times as you can. And for example, if you're going to work, kiss your partner and say I love you. When you're coming from work, kiss your partner, give a hug, flirt with your partner, sexually flirt, create some spark, some energy between you. And this flirting, sexual, passionate energy will make your relationship stronger, more passionate, more fulfilling, and they're gonna last forever. Don't forget to watch other video, how to be happy in relationship, first 5 steps, first 5 rules how to make your relationship last forever. I will leave the link below this video. Click thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, post it on your Facebook, Twitter, send it to your friends by email, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to receive notification of new videos that I post every week. And thank you for watching Psychology of Happiness, where happiness is the purpose of life.